Many people have mixed feelings about GPT. We like it, but we sometimes worry maybe it's too strong. I'm very happy that so much attention is being paid to AI, and I believe it's necessary to introduce you this paper, which is kind of a reality check. This paper addresses this question. Even though GPT has shown strong ability in many fields, sometimes even stronger than human, are there still some essential and important problems that are very easy for human to solve but difficult for GPT to solve? The answer is yes. Next, I will first introduce the basic information of this paper, then directly show a few problems. I'm sure that everyone who is watching this video can solve these problems easily, but GPT cannot. Finally, I will explain the principle and intuition behind the design of these problems. This paper from May 2023 is by Melanie Michel's team. Michel is a professor at the Scientific Institute, and she is also the author of several great science books, such as Complexity, a Guide Tour, and AI, a Guide for Thinking Humans. The paper introduces the ConceptARC benchmark. Here, A stands for abstraction and R stands for reasoning. So this benchmark tests AI's ability for doing abstraction and reasoning with concepts. Many problems in this benchmark are very interesting. Here I will show one of them. I will suggest you to pause here and try to solve this problem by yourself. Okay, now let's try to analyze this problem together. I'm sure you all see that in the three images above, we need to extract the blocks that are the same shape in the left image to the right image. So the answer to the test is the two blocks labeled 0 in green and yellow. To solve this problem, we need to at least understand the concept of same. To further test the understanding of same, the author also created tasks where the same color and same number need to be retained. If you pass all these tasks, it proves that you understand the same. They also created different tasks based on different concepts, and the entire benchmark consists of these similar problems. So, how does GPT perform on this benchmark? Let's check this table. The first column of the table lists the concepts that they want to test, such as counting, ordering, above and below, etc. The second column shows humans' performance, with accuracy around 90%, which is not surprising. The last column shows GPT-4's performance, with accuracy around 10% to 20%, never exceeding 30%, which is very bad. So, what's the principle of selecting this concept in the first column? They also believe that a good AI model should have a clear understanding of at least these several basic concepts. The first is objectness, which are the things that can be distinguished from the background, the things that can be extracted, moved, or retained. The second concept is numericity, which means the model should understand the terms like most or more than something. The third is the basic geometric and topological concepts, such as knowing what the shape is. When we ask GPT what is a shape, it answers in detail, but when it comes to actually recognizing and preserving similar shapes, it fails. I think this benchmark is very meaningful, especially in today's era of large models. We often see that news told us the large model have strong ability on doing abstraction and reasoning. However, it's hard to distinguish whether the model is actually doing the abstraction and reasoning or just memorizing. With this benchmark only focus on abstraction and reasoning on basic concepts, we see that even large model performs poorly compared to humans. Michel believes that this kind of abstraction and reasoning ability is core of true AGI. If a model cannot even extract the same shapes, it means AGI still have a long way to go.